Hey everybody, Mike Chavez here once again. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Alright, today, gonna fire up some smoked sausage. Some kielbasa sausage. This is gonna be good. We're gonna put it on the Blackstone. We're gonna cook it up. We're gonna make us up some peppers and onions. Gonna melt some provolone cheese all over it. And we're gonna put it all on a nice sub roll. Alright, y'all? So this should be really good, really simple. Let's do it. Alright, so we're going to fire up our Blackstone. Put the burners on low. Let her preheat. Then we'll get going. Alright then, so we're up about 300. And put a little actually, I don't want to use that. I'm going to use some avocado oil. Put a little avocado oil down. Peppers, onions. Coat them up. Alright, move them back a bit. Get our smoked sausage. I'm going to go ahead and cut these in half, this length. Look at this roll. So we'll probably do split these. That way they'll fit on the roll better. So I put this side up to about medium heat, left this side on low. And I'll also put my sub roll on here, let that start warming up. All right. So let's let this cook and I'll bring you all back. Alright, let's go ahead and season these peppers and onions a little bit. Not too much. Of course, we're using our Cosmos SPG as usual. Give these a little toss. See what our kielbasa is looking like. Looking good. Alright, let's go ahead and flip these over. All right, let's see. Put these rolls over here for a minute. All right, we'll go ahead and put some provolone on here. Let that get to melting. Move our bread over. Let's go ahead and stick a dome on here to help the cheese melt. And we're almost done, y'all. This will be a quickie. All right, let's put this thing together. So we're going to take some good Dijon mustard on the roll. Looking good. Oh yeah, there we go. Peppers. Looking good, looking good. Here we go, y'all. Ready to eat, ready to eat. All right, y'all, here we go. Kielbasa, peppers, onions, provolone cheese on a nice sub roll. This should be good, y'all. You ready? Let's try this out. Taste. Oh my. That's good, y'all. Quick, easy, fast. You can do it too. So thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you like the video, leave me a thumbs up, please. And by all means, leave me a comment. I love comments. And if you haven't done it yet, hit that subscribe button. I appreciate it. All right, see y'all next time.